Did you know Loves has added RV sites to 100 plus locations nationwide? Well, what are they like? Are they worth it? Well, we got one, so let's go check it out. Hey, it's Chris from Addie's Travel Adventures. Well, we're here at our Loves RV stop in Dyersburg, Tennessee. This site is conveniently located off Interstate 155, which is right behind me. Now, as we pan around here, look at all this space. This will accommodate any size rig. You have plenty of room to move your RV throughout. There's 4 concrete spaces here. Look how big this is. We have our awning out. We got chairs. We can hang out. This has water, electric, no sewer, but they have a dump station. So let's go check out our hookups. So here we are at an electrical pedestal. They do have a 50 amp, a 30 amp, and a 110 service. Over here, this is your water hookup. Now this might look like a normal hookup, pull the handle, water comes out, but there is a trick. You have to pull this little knob down, then release the handle to force the water to go through the hose. So that's just an FYI. So let's go check out the dump station. So here we are at the dump station. It's just adjacent to the campground. You have water and a short hose to rinse out your hoses when you're done. This is the dump cover. It is locked. They give you a combo in an email when you book, which I'll discuss at the end of the video. Sometimes it's not always right, so you may need to check with the clerk on the inside. So let's go check out the propane. Last but not least, propane. They have an attendant call box, or you might have to go inside to grab somebody to fill up your propane tanks. This RV Love Stop has everything you need, so you're not roughing it. Stephanie and I are gonna stay the night. We'll report back in the morning on how it went. Good morning, everyone. Well, we're just getting things buttoned up from our stay here at the Loves RV stop. Overall, it was a good experience. There's a lot of pros. You're normally located near an interstate. There's huge concrete pads. You have electric, water. The Love store is behind you if you need food, a shower. Some of them even have laundry. Some of the cons, you're gonna get a lot of vehicle noise throughout the night. It's gonna cost you $50 to $60, but that does include the fee for the dump station, but you can get military discount. And you have to move your vehicle to the dump station. If you want to book one of these sites, go to lovesrvstop.com. I'll put the link in the description section. You click book now, the map will come up, pick the one that's nearest your route, fill out all the information to include payment information, and select confirm site. Once you do that, you'll get an email. This email is very important. It'll give you the code to the dump cover. Now, as I said earlier, sometimes that code changes, so check with the clerk inside. Also, there's a button on there that says check in now. You need to hit that button when you get here to turn on your electricity. So that email is very important. So overall, this is a great tool for your planning options when going RVing. And remember, it's all about the adventure, and we'll see you on the road.